I was busy thinking about boys, girls like you, boys. I was busy dreaming.
And welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be another hair review. I didn't do a full install. I kind of did me just like styling it, but yeah, this wig was sent to me by, the box is kind of crooked, but Ali Julia Hair on Amazon, and I really like their packaging. This is what the box looks like now, but it was way better. Okay, so basically in the box you get like 2 stocking caps, which I do really and truly appreciate. You know, the standard eyelash, and then so hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be another hair review on this wig that I'm wearing. I didn't do my usual like install video, but I just showed you guys basically me styling the hair. So the hair is by Ali Julia Hair on Amazon, and this is what you get in the package, right? So they give you a set of wig caps, which I really do appreciate. They sent eyelashes, the usual, and they sent a little like hair card, and I really think it's nice of them. I really like it. It's like a whole hair info, tells you about the company and all that stuff. I'm wearing their 16-inch body wave wig. I'm not sure it's Brazilian, but I will definitely have the specs down below. But this is what the hair looks like. You guys just saw me curl it. I don't have any complaints. The hair is really soft. Like, really soft. It's 130 density, so the density is like really natural. I'm gonna show you the length, but yeah, that's the length and the density. Like if I put it in a ponytail, oh no, my kitchen for it. So it's really natural. So if that's the look you're trying to go for, I would definitely recommend this wig. I don't have anything bad to say other than it clearly doesn't hold a curl. I literally curled the video, did everything like one time, and this is the curls already. That's my only con. I don't really like that about it. And the pricing space, like I said with my my bob wig from Calais Hair, you don't get that much pricing space on the side. Like, that's pretty much it. It's meant to be like a flip over wig. That's why like I didn't define my price or anything like that. I'm having a little bit of lace trouble because I but basically the bleach ran and my knots not my knots, but a little bit of my hair got bleached, and then in attempts to dye it, I stained the lace, right? So it kind of looks dark in person, I don't know, on camera, but yeah, I'm gonna fix that, don't worry. But yeah, that's all I have to say about this wig. I will leave all their info down below. As usual, I had tons of fun filming this video for you guys, and until next time, bye guys.